We're going to be talking to ourselves. My thoughts are going to be out loud, and so is Erika's thoughts, okay? But we're not really talking to each other. This is when a person goes to ask somebody to social dance. I'm the guy, she's the follower or girl. Here we go. Okay, I gotta practice these moves that I learned from Eric's class yesterday. I gotta make sure these moves, I execute them. All right, so turn. Okay. Would you like to dance?
Yes. Don't mess up, Erika, don't mess up. All right, don't focus.
All right.
Focus. Don't mess
How was that move from the class yesterday?
You got it, here we go. Yes. Go and think, arm. Turn. I can style.
Oh, I messed up. I do it again. Come on, remember.
Arm, style. Oh, no, too late. Okay, turn.
Okay, I got it. I'm gonna do it again. Why is it so rough? Why is it so rough with her?
Tell me right. Oh, I messed up.
Give me a triple spin. That's my learning class, a triple spin. Come on.
Okay, here we go.
That's what happens 90% of the time when you guys go social dancing, right? You guys want to take this information you just learned from a class and you want to literally work it on a stranger that you just met. Ladies?
And we want to be so perfect. And we want to make sure that we follow everything. And it's going to be our fault. Or if the arm goes up, we're like, here's a turn. And we're like thinking, when can we style? When can this hand do something? You know, so we're just stressing.
Like, yeah, like on a first date, are y'all really going to put that much pressure on yourselves? No, you're going to be yourself. You're obviously, you know, you want to say the right things. You want it to be smooth. You want it to be light. Why can't that happen every time we ask somebody to dance? And ladies, why can't we be light with the person we're dancing with? You see, ladies? We want to do something, for example, so many times. I've been dancing for 25 years. How long, Erika?
13.
13 years, right? You will never catch me on the social floor give any girl 2 turns. Never. I'll tell you why. I'm here to get to know this beautiful girl. I'm here to make sure that when she goes to the bathroom and takes the sweat off her face, and the other women go, wow, you've been dancing a lot. Yeah, that guy Edwin, oh my God, he was such a great dance. Right? So smooth. Because men, they will talk about you in the bathroom. They will tell you.
The ladies are like,
that guy, girl, are you okay? Yeah, that guy with the hole in the jeans, be careful with him, because he is rough. I just almost broke my hand. Mi gente, my people.
same thing happens with the guys though too. They'll wonder about the girl.
Absolutely.
Don't think it goes one way.
Right?
Definitely on both sides.
So my name is Edwin Rivera. This is my beautiful wife, Erika Saucillo Rivera. And welcome to the Ultimate Social Dancer.
Yeah.